Okay, so we talked about the three different offsets, the OD tool offsets, the ID tool offsets, and the drill bit offsets. Now I'm just going to show you on the screen what we were doing. So we showed you inside the machine the Z-axis, which is the long direction of the lathe, and then the X-axis, which is short back and forth. So depending on what tool we're using, so let's go to our memory. So the first tool is tool 1. So we go back to handle jog, we hit handle jog twice, and we hit offset, and we run our tool over so it touches in the Z. I'm going to hit the arrow over to the Z geometry. And once our tool tip touches the part in the Z axis, the face of the part, then we press Z face measure right here. And then you'll see the number change. Then we're going to move our tool to the outside diameter of the part, and we'll shave off a little bit of the outside diameter of the part nice and slow so you get a real nice smooth finish. And then we're going to come over to the Z geometry. So we did the Z. Now we're going to arrow over to the X geometry. And in the X geometry, we have our tool tip touching the outside diameter of the part. We cut off a little bit, and then we moved it out of the way. We measured the diameter with a caliper. Then we're going to go to X diameter measure here. This box pops up. We type in the diameter of the part, whatever it is, and then we hit enter. And then you'll see the number for the X geometry change. So that's on the screen here. That's what we were doing when we were setting the offsets. And we do that for every part. Now the drill bits are going to be drill 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if you'll notice, one is different. So the drill bits are actually 8, 9, and 10. And if you look, the X geometry measurement is the same on all three of those. So this is the tool for our drill bits. It's a great big thing. Tool number 7 is a drill, but it's in a little bit different holder. A lot smaller tool holder. So this one will be a little bit different, but the X is already preset for that tool. So if you ever crash a tool, then I need to know, and then all that has to be adjusted. But if it's operating as normal, you'll never need to do the X geometry for tool number 7, 8, 9, or 10. Alright, the next